We're going on a train again.
Where are we going?
Slovakia.
We're going to
Bratislava.
Bratislava?
And it's supposed to be thunder and lightning while we're there.
Yeah, great.
Should be fun.
Although it's quite early. Oh, Tesco is open.
Oh, Tesco's in Hungary.
It's Tesco Express. We're going on a train, we're going on a day trip. It's going to be fun and probably wet.
Yes, but it should be fun.
It should be fun.
Two hours later.
We're in Bratislava.
And look, it's the President's building.
We have no idea what we're doing.
We've never been here, no research.
We just thought we're coming for the day.
Took another
This is what you
country
call
off the list.
it's what you call backpacking.
This is backpacking Bryoni to the extreme.
Yeah. It's a nice little place. So far, so good.
Yeah.
Watch your head. We made it. We made it out. I think we've done too much walking this trip already.
Too many stairs.
We have. Sit out a scene.
I am Shack Redemption. What's your Slovakian cola?
Oh yeah, we've got a cola. Looks like this.
It's actually red wine.
Red?
It's very dark red wine.
Which we bet that food was the best ever,
It is
but it had
50
all trip.
It is 80% vodka.
Is it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Bye bye Bratislava.
Goodbye. It's now dark and gloomy and wet.
It's sweet. We'll be on this train for 7 days.
No. 2.5 hours. It's not actually that long. 2.5 hours. Do you want to go to Budapest or Slovakia from Budapest? or vice
Vienna's
versa.
like 20 minutes away. That's doable.
We should get the train. This was only £40 each.
It was surprisingly actually really nice.
Yeah, we actually really liked it. I think it surprised us, didn't it?
Yeah.
How nice it was.
Yeah.
It was really touristy.
Have you ever been to like?
And everyone's
sort of
friendly.
Like,
They're all friendly.
all friendly. It's very like castle or history, like history.
Yes. And our lunch was
Really nice.
top notch. Yeah.
No, you didn't really go at first.
I know, I didn't want to go. Got a bagel. And we're going to chill, aren't we? We've got 2 hours. So we're back in Budapest.
Get some sleep. Maybe listen to some music.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.